If you're looking for the best period panties, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Bambody Absorbent period panties. These period underwear are made out of a breathable bamboo material with a design that looks smooth and discreet under any clothing. They feature a higher, hip-hugging waist and full bottom coverage. 4 layers of material provide about 2 tampons worth of absorption, meaning these panties can be worn on their own or used as added protection on extremely heavy days. They absorb fluid quickly and the protective material prevents odor. The full back coverage makes them ideal for sleep so that no matter what position you like to lie in, you won't wake up to stained sheets. The waistband is comfortable and won't dig in, making this style ideal for new mamas. The wide range of sizes means that almost anyone will be able to find a comfortable and secure fit, and the neutral color palette keeps things simple and versatile. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Yoyi Fashion Menstrual Leakproof panties. These menstrual briefs are available in a multi-pack that might actually get you through your entire period. At one moderate price, you can get 5 pairs of leak-proof panties. This makes them affordable enough that you can invest in more pairs to wear throughout your period and on spotting days. These panties offer full crotch coverage and full bottom coverage with an absorbent, leak-proof material that is suitable to protect against overnight leaks, postpartum bleeding, and pad or tampon overspill. On lighter days, they might offer adequate absorbency to be worn on their own all day. The fuller crotch coverage these offer is greater in area than your average pad, making these perfect for catching overflow or protecting you as you move around in your sleep or during exercise. From the outside though, these look like normal underwear. The number 3 position is held by Thinx Hiphugger period underwear. Thinx has become a major player in the period underwear world thanks to their wide range of styles, body positive message, and high absorbency levels. This pair of Hiphugger underwear is rated to absorb about 4 tampons worth of fluid. For most women, that means you can wear these on their own during most stages of your period. These have a stylish look with a low-rise front and some lace detail on the band, which makes them look and feel more like normal underwear. No one would assume they are period panties just by looking at them, and their slim fit is discreet under almost any clothing. Next at number 4 we have Funcy Menstrual Protective Panties. These protective panties are meant to be used along with your regular menstrual products or for days when you only have spotting. They don't feature an absorbent layer, but rather have a light mesh moisture wicking layer around the crotch and bottom to catch leaks or spotting and keep it from bleeding through. These have a high waist and are snug to keep the leak-proof material in place, but not uncomfortably so. The snug fit can give a mild smoothing effect, helping you to look less bloated under fitted clothing. These can help you save your sheets from overnight stains and prevent your clothing from getting stained as well. They are easy to hand wash and air dry pretty quickly. The number 5 position is held by Hesta Organic Cotton Protective Underwear. These panties are made from organic cotton to protect your sensitive skin from many growing chemicals and provide a comfortable, breathable fit. The material is soft and thin. The lining extends from the crotch front all the way to the back waistline to give a large coverage area to protect you from leaks. When combined with a pad, tampon, or cup, these will protect you on even your heaviest days. At the tail end of your period, these will give a bit of protection on their own for spotting. Hesta ships their underwear in a small pink box, making them feel like a special little gift for you or for anyone you want to send them to. The number 6 position is dominated by Anigan Leakproof Menstrual Underwear. These cotton panties are designed with young women who are new to their periods in mind. The size of these skews a little smaller, making them a secure fit on adolescent bodies or more petite women. While these won't be adequate on their own with a heavier flow, they provide excellent backup to wear all day at school with a pad or tampon, and overnight to prevent stained sheets. The comfortable and breathable cotton underwear look very similar to a standard pair and come in fun, colorful patterns. The leak-resistant material helps trap any blood in the lining. There is full coverage from the mid-front to the back waist to catch any spillage from around the edges of a pad or provide protection on a light day. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Innersy Postpartum Protective Cotton Panties. These high-waisted briefs offer smooth and comfortable coverage to your lower belly. This higher rise and a hint of support may be especially desirable to new mamas who are still recovering. While the brand says that these are meant to be worn with another period product for a full menstrual flow, these do absorb a decent amount of fluid on their own, making them great for sudden bleeds or overnight protection. A triple layer lining protects you from mid-front to mid-back, which is similar to the full coverage lining you'll find on lower rise pairs. The top layer is moisture wicking, so if you soak them, you'll still be comfortable for quite a while. The lining layer is a dark gray material that doesn't show stains as clearly, making them easier to launder. They are comfortable, pretty true to size, and flattering to most body types. The number 8 position is held by Anigan EvaWear period panties. Unlike many of the panties on our list, Anigan states that these can be worn on their own. The protective lining goes from mid-crotch to the back waistband and features 4 layers. The top layer is a moisture-wicking barrier to help keep you comfortable, with absorbent and leak-proof core layers between you and the breathable outer material. The lining isn't crunchy and crinkly sounding either. The underwear feels similar to leggings with their stretchy, smooth material. Under clothing, they give a sleek, seamless look and fit close to the body. This brand has one of the few boy short styles we found for period underwear, although they also offer the popular bikini and hipster cuts as well. This is ideal if you want more hip and butt coverage, but don't want a high waist. Next at number 9 we have Teamoy reusable cloth menstrual pads. These reusable pads are made to fit into any pair of underwear, whether period panties or regular, to give you all-day protection. The waterproof outer layer keeps liquid lock into the absorbent microfiber core. The top layer is a bamboo charcoal velour that is soft against the skin. This set of 6 pads come with a waterproof wet bag with 2 zipper pockets. So on days when you have a very heavy flow, or for travel, you can keep a stash of clean pads in one pocket and stow dirty ones in the other. Secure the pad to your underwear with the snap closure on the wings and be on your way. The wings provide extra coverage to prevent side leakage. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Bambody Leakproof Hipster. Budgeting for multiple pairs of period underwear to last you through your menstrual flow can be pricey, but there are a variety of products on the market that can fit your budget. We like Bambody Leakproof Hipster because it's affordable and is available in packs, so you can get the most for your money. The underwear comes in a hipster style that feels comfortable and cute all at once. Each pair is made with a bamboo material that feels silky smooth against the skin. They also hold about 2 regular tampons worth of menstrual blood, so, depending on your flow, you can wear them throughout the day without any worry of leakage. With a variety of colors and sizes, the product makes a great addition to anyone's menstrual product lineup. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.